Hi, I'm Chef Plum, and today I'm going to tell you all about the brand new Ergo Chef My Air Fryer. This thing is great. 1700 watts of air frying power. Included accessories, you got to see this. Check this out. Included a pair of tongs with silicone here so it won't scratch anything.
Our basket divider to cook meats and veggies at the same time.
We included grill grate. This is awesome because you can actually grill a steak inside of your air fryer. The non-stick baking pan, and of course the air fryer basket itself. The best part about all of these accessories seen right here is they're all dishwasher safe and non-stick.
Including recipes to get you started right away.
Fresh homemade French fries are so easy in the Ergo Chef My Air Fryer. You need 2 pounds of Idaho potatoes, cut uniformly of course, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, a teaspoon of good olive oil, and my favorite, a teaspoon of fresh chopped parsley. It really adds a beautiful color to the crispy French fries when they come out of the air fryer. Now, we are actually going to put the divider pan in here to cook more than one thing at a time in the air fryer.
We got our fries on one side and delicious chicken wings on the other. Set it for 400 degrees for 20 minutes. The Ergo Chef My Air Fryer makes cooking so convenient with the 5.8 quart capacity basket. Hear that sound? That means our fries and our wings are done. Oh yeah, look at this. Here we go. Brown crispness on the outside. That's what we're talking about. That's what you want when you're making chicken wings. You guys gotta check out the My Air Fryer by Ergo Chef. It's delicious.